Oh, time out.
Ooh. Nasty.
Yeah. You know, ants give me fears like the last episode before this, remember?
Mm-hmm. You mean ants scare you, not give you fears.
They do. That's what I say.
Uh-huh.
There's actually ants by the breath thing. I want to go. I'm a ninja.
Aiden, wear your shoes, please.
Game on. I'm getting it. I got
What
it.
are you doing? Oh, the helicopter sound, huh?
Where? Where is it?
Can't see it. You just hear it. So your brother's a little sensitive to those sounds.
Aiden can hear stuff really loudly. So when he grows up, make sure you pay some respect to him. Because he hears everything, even when it's loud. But he doesn't like rock star noise. So make sure you don't have star noise with him.
So when you say have some respect for Aiden, what does that mean, Oliver?
That means be nice to my brother.
Okay. That's really good.
I don't even care.
Ollie, turn around.
I don't even care if there was a car.
You should care when there's a car. Aiden, put your shoes on the side, please. Aiden? Uh-oh, bud.
I don't fear of cars.
I don't. Aiden, put your shoes on the side, please. Or wear them. Very good.
I only care when there's a car coming and goes on the road. But Daddy says something.
But as long as you stay on the sidewalk, you should be all right. But you still need to be careful when they're... Hey, watch out, your brother's coming.
Why are there so many ant nests in our front yard?
Because Daddy still needs to put the chemicals to get rid of them, and we haven't really done that. Hey, Aiden. See, when brother gets hurt, we can't make a big deal out of it. We gotta help him recover from it. Aiden, is it an owie? It's okay. You're all right.
I will protect him. You go.
It's okay. You want to get up, bud? Very good. Good job.
He's a brave boy.
He is. Aiden, come back. Turn around, please. Thank you. Get out of the way. Aiden, are you doing okay? Aiden, look at me. Aiden, look at mommy. Come here. Are you okay? Are you okay, bud? You have an owie? Oh, yes. We have a little owie. But we're okay. And you high five? Good job. I can't ride your bike with you. You have to ride it by yourself. What are you doing? You want me to ride with you? Okay, go ahead. Hey,
Yes.
stop being sad.
I'm not sad. I'm not sad.
You're not sad?
No.
Yes, I just don't want you to talk over when I'm trying to talk to your brother.
Is
Okay?
talk over interrupting?
It's kind of. It's like, you know, when two people are talking, you gotta let them talk instead of sort of, like you said, interrupting the conversation or speaking louder so that the two people who are talking can't really hear each other, right? Are really just outside right now, hanging out at the front yard. Aiden is just biking, and the other one is just
Actually just looking at the sky and the gray, not beautiful, kind of beautiful clouds.
he was a little upset because I had told him not to interrupt people when they're having a conversation. So
You may talk over.
yes, so I told him not to talk over because I was trying to tell Aiden something, and he was trying to talk over us, and Aiden couldn't hear me. So anyway, that was a conversation with a 6 years old.
My brother's like Leah, and also he's 9 years older than me.
He's not 9 years older than you, Ollie. You know why? He's 10 and you're 6. 10 minus 6? Mm-hmm. Aiden likes to be barefoot when he's biking. Yes. He usually starts out with slippers and then the slippers come off. Say hello.
The whole group.
Yes, it's the whole group just hanging out in the front yard.
Not actually the whole group because we have my dad.
Okay, where are you going?
Hey,
Oh, you're vlogging?
hey,
Say hello, Aiden. Say hello.
say hello. I wanna do some I Spy something.
Okay, go ahead.
I spy something blue.
You spy something blue? The chair. The chair is blue.
No. I hit things with it and I also practice.
Oh, I think you spy your blue sword.
I spy something with garbage.
The trash can.
I spy something light.
Something light? Like not heavy? Or
Like good, like it's shiny and bright at you.
like the lamppost?
But not that. The sun makes it.
Oh, sunshine?
It's sunlight.
Oh, sunlight. Okay.
I'm trying to make sure you have hands and clothes. Hands and clothes are everywhere around you. Behind you, the left of you, the right of you, the front of you, everywhere by you. I spy something with numbers.
Plate numbers. What could have numbers? Houses?
You drive it.
It's a car. It's a plate number. I was right.
Good job. Spy something hard as metal.
Hard as metal. The post.
No, it's the stop sign.
Oh, okay.
Because it's hollow. And that's, you were getting close, but this is hollow. Ouch!
Why would you kick it?
I'm just showing you. I spy something white stripes and red stripes.
The American flag.
I spy something gray.
Oh, by the way, speaking of the American flag, can you do the Pledge of Allegiance? I haven't asked you to do that in a while.
I pledge allegiance to the flag. I went here, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible,
With
with liberty and justice for all. God can eat it. God is so powerful.
you look really cute there.
Yeah. Thanks.
You do. You look really handsome. You know that? Sit down. Okay. I pledge allegiance to the
Flag
of the States of to the United States of America and to the do the Pledge of Allegiance for me. One more time, lady. Come on. Okay. Say, I pledge allegiance to the
flag
of the
of the
America and to the republic for which it
that unchangeable
for. Ah, good job. That was good. That was good. All right, go ride your bike. Go ride your bike. Okay, Oliver, put the bike inside now, please. Time to go inside. It's getting late. Come on. Very good, you guys. Look up. Oops.
It's not about power, it's about the heart.
Okay, what makes you say that?
The heart means like trust and like trust of your heart.
So, not everything is about power.
But some things that you challenge the people or just power. It's about the love or your heart.
What are you trying to do?
Trying to make sense to that.
Okay, very good. All right, bud, let's go. We're gonna close the garage.
Easy. Piece of cake.
Did you have fun?